Hello there, my dear gentlemen. On this fine day, have you ever asked yourself this one question? Why do silver-haired men still hold such a magnetic pull, while young men with six-pack abs get completely ignored? Are you feeling like your time has already passed? Do you worry that you only attract through your wallet? The truth I am about to reveal will truly surprise you. Young women are not actually looking for a grandfather figure. They are searching for a very special kind of power. A power only men with your experience can truly possess, but only on the condition that you know how to activate it. Today, I will reveal to you a very big secret. It is the 3 highest level psychological games in the world, to help you become incredibly captivating in her eyes. Do not miss a single second of this video, gentlemen. Let us begin our journey together right here, right now. Please hit the like button to support my channel. Now, let us dive into the very important first point. The first point is the art of breaking expectations. Beautiful women are usually very confident about themselves. They are used to being flirted with by men every day. They hear pretty compliments from morning until night. If you act exactly like them, she will get bored instantly. Try doing the complete opposite and see what happens. Communicate with her through your intellectual curiosity. Do not display your desire in an excessive way at all. I will give you a specific example to make it clear. Do not compliment her on her beautiful eyes. Ask her opinion on a meaningful social issue, or ask her to help with a passion project of yours. She will feel that you are truly different from the rest. You are breaking the familiar psychological trap she expects. This creates a strange and curious ripple inside her, making her focus entirely on you in an instant. The signs of success are very easy to recognize. Her attitude will shift from polite and shallow surface talk to complete focus on every word of your conversation. This is when you have already won the first battle. Let me tell you the story of a gentleman named William. William is 67 years old and met a young woman named Emily at a coffee shop. Instead of complimenting Emily on her beauty like other men, William asked her about the philosophy book she was reading. Just that one single question changed absolutely everything. Emily put down her phone and talked with him for 2 whole hours. That is the true power of breaking expectations, gentlemen. Are you ready to apply this in your own life? Please comment "I am ready" down below this video. Now, let us step into the powerful second point. The second point is the art of controlling the frame. In every conversation, an invisible frame is always present. The one who holds the frame is the one with real power. Older men often fall into one fatal common mistake. They get defensive when teased about their age. Do not do that, my friend, because it shows weakness. Counterattack that frame back immediately instead. Let me tell you a very interesting little story. If she says you look a little bit on the older side, instead of explaining at length, simply smile broadly. Reply gently, "You know what? I think that is fair, because I am the only one here who truly knows fine wine. Those young guys only know how to dance and make noise." Do you see how the frame has shifted completely? You are no longer the old man in this story at all. You have become the only sophisticated man in the room. The sign is that she will start to explain herself, or find ways to gain your approval and acceptance. At this moment, you have fully mastered the entire game. Remember, your frame must be as solid as a stone pillar. Never apologize for your own age, my dear gentleman. Your age is a medal of honor that you have earned. You have lived, you have endured, you have won many battles in life. Stand tall and carry your frame with you everywhere you go. Now we arrive at the refined third point of today. The third point is strategic vulnerability. True confidence does not come from being a perfect human being. It comes from daring to accept your own imperfections. Be at peace with the mistakes from your past life. Tell those embarrassing stories in a very humorous way. It proves your social status is extremely high, because small failures cannot shake you at all anymore. Tell stories about your struggles in your early business days, but always end with a valuable lesson you learned from it. This creates an incredibly deep emotional connection with her. It builds her trust in you in a very rapid way. Never try to make yourself appear too perfect or polished. The truth is what truly captivates a woman's mind. I had a student named Frank, who is now 70 years old. He shared about his first bankruptcy at the age of 35. He shared about having to sell his beloved car back then. But he told it all with a smile and a calm gaze. The woman listening to him was completely captivated because she saw a man who had walked through real storms and was now standing solidly before her this very day. That is vulnerability used in exactly the right way. Do not whine, do not complain, narrate it like a legend. Have you ever had a story like that in your own life? Please share it in the comments so others can read it. Up next, we have the extremely important fourth point. The fourth point is the art of expanding the circle. Men with real magnetism are always natural leaders. They never focus on only one single person at a time. They care for the entire space surrounding them. While talking with her, pull other people into the conversation. Greet the waiter at your table with true sincerity. Compliment them on their excellent service to you. This shows that you do not need her in any desperate way. You are owning the entire space in a very natural manner. Women deeply admire that special quality in a man. It reveals an absolute confidence inside who you are. Imagine you are sitting in a fine upscale restaurant. The young man at the next table only stares at his girlfriend. He is anxious, nervous, afraid to make her unhappy. But you are completely different. You chat with the bartender. You ask the elderly woman nearby about her health and well-being. You smile at a child running past your table happily. The young lady beside you sees every single bit of that. And she realizes you are a man of the world, not some young boy afraid of losing his date tonight. That is the strongest weapon of a mature gentleman. And now, prepare your mind to receive this firmly. This is the most important part of today's entire video. A twist that will wake you up in an instant. Why do young women really choose older gentlemen like you? It is not because they want to find a father figure. The truth is that the younger generation is incredibly lonely. Young people in America are losing real human connection. They are too dependent on social media every single day. They constantly stare down at their phones with empty eyes. Meanwhile, you possess something extremely precious to them. That something is your absolute human presence. You know how to look directly into another person's eyes. You know how to listen without needing a phone in hand. Your complete focus is itself a rare and beautiful gift. It is the greatest competitive advantage of your generation. Age is not a barrier for you at all, my dear gentlemen. It is actually your powerful passport to influence. Stop and think carefully about this for one moment. A 28-year-old woman meets 3 men in 1 week. The first is 25, eating while scrolling his phone. The second is 30, talking about himself for 2 solid hours. The third is 68, looks at her and asks one question. What is the one thing that made you happiest this week? Then he listens to her speak for a full hour. Can you guess which man she will remember the most? The answer is too obvious. Do you not agree? Presence is the most valuable currency of this modern era, and you have an enormous amount of that currency. Now let us summarize today's lesson together as one. The first lesson is to always break her expectations. The second lesson is to firmly hold your own frame. The third lesson is to use vulnerability with real wisdom. The fourth lesson is to become a true social leader. Attraction does not lie in the number of your age at all. It lies in how you make other people genuinely feel. Here is some specific action advice just for you today. Tomorrow, go buy a cup of coffee at your usual spot. Look directly into the eyes of the cashier for 2 seconds. Smile warmly and compliment them with sincere honesty. You might say, "You look so radiant today, ma'am," or "Thank you for making me such a wonderful coffee, sir." Build your aura from the smallest daily actions in life, a little each day, and you will see yourself transform clearly. Women can sense that special aura from far away. They will be drawn toward you without even realizing it. Remember this, you do not need to become young again. You only need to become the best version of your age. A mature, confident gentleman, full of inner strength. That is the kind of man who drives women absolutely wild. Not those young men with 6-pack abs and empty souls. You have value, you have depth, you have stories to tell. Be bold, step into the world, and reveal all of that. If you find these secrets truly useful to your life, please comment aura right below this video for me. I want to know whether you are truly ready or not. Do not forget to hit like and share this video too. Send it to your old friends who are feeling lonely. Press subscribe to catch even more powerful scripts coming up. And now, I have one final question to ask you. Out of the 4 secrets above, which one feels hardest? Which one will you apply tonight starting right away? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. I will read and reply to each person with sincere care. The next video on your screen is also worth watching. It is about how to know when a young woman likes you. 7 signs that 90% of older men miss entirely. Click and watch it right after finishing this video. I will see you again at the peak of true magnetism. Goodbye, and I wish you a truly brilliant day ahead.